WGAN Forum Podcast number 204. Wednesday, June 14, 2023.
This WGAN Forum podcast is sponsored by the We Get Around Network Forum, your source for Matterport and related 3D and 360 platforms, cameras, and third-party add-ons. Visit WGANforum.com.
Matterport Genesis Generative AI Magic, will it make competitors irrelevant? Commentary and analysis by Dan Smigrod, founder and managing editor. We Get Around Network Forum and WGAN TV podcast. Hi. Imagine OpenAI's GPT-4 meets Matterport Digital Twin. Magical. Stunning. Amazing. Unbelievable. Extraordinary. There are not enough adjectives in the English language to adequately describe the significance of the announcement today, June 14, 2023, of Matterport Genesis AI meets Matterport Digital Twins. While Matterport's sweet spot has always been spatial data at scale for enterprise, Matterport Generative AI Magic has the potential to make competitors irrelevant. As Matterport illustrates in its Matterport Genesis video, imagine typing in a Matterport digital twin of a house or commercial office space and hitting Generate. 1. Can you defurnish my house? 2. Use a mix of my existing furniture and some new furniture. 3. What if my house had a rustic look? 4. Optimize for natural lighting and not blocking the windows. 5. Actually, let's see what it looks like using mid-century modern furniture. 6. How many people could I fit on this floor with an open floor plan? 7. Add more collaboration space. While Matterport Genesis Generative AI shows how a 3D digital twin, spatial data, easily makes a 360-degree tour irrelevant for anything beyond a simple walkthrough experience, Matterport competitors that offer true 3D digital twins without generative AI may be irrelevant as 3D digital twin customers recognize what is possible with Matterport Genesis AI. Quoting from the Matterport media release, here are 5 use cases. 1. Interior design and space utilization, helping homeowners, designers, and property managers reimagine a physical space with automated virtual interior design and staging, including making recommendations for how to optimize the use of these spaces. 2. Design and construction, making it simpler for homeowners, architects, and builders to create more efficient, sustainable, and accessible buildings. 3. Energy efficiency, providing insights on how to reduce energy consumption in buildings, potentially leading to lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. 4. Maintenance and repairs, proactively surfacing the most common maintenance and repair issues for buildings, along with tips on how to prevent them, helping building owners and managers address issues before they become costly problems. 5. Safety and security, spotlighting potential safety and security risks for buildings, such as fire hazards or building code violations, along with recommendations for how to address these risks. I could imagine that these 5 use cases are just the beginning of what will be possible when Matterport integrates its Genesis AI across its digital twin platform, with early releases expected before the end of 2023, according to the Matterport media release. Any enterprise company that is deciding which 3D digital twin platform to choose will need a compelling reason not to move forward with Matterport, given the possibilities that Matterport Genesis AI may enable. Plus, Matterport likely has other major AI milestones to officially announce this year. For example, as I previously reported in the We Get Around Network Forum in February 2023, Matterport will upgrade Matterport Showcase Player to include native wayfinding and search powered by machine learning, according to a rumor at GeoWeek in Denver Tuesday, February 14, 2023. By the end of 2Q23, I anticipate that Matterport will launch a drop-down search bar in Matterport Showcase Player that lists items and locations identified in the space by machine learning, and then, via an augmented reality wayfinding experience, enable the viewer to walk from their existing destination to the drop-down menu selection location. Initially, the items and spaces identified will focus on real estate spaces, and by the end of 2023 include spaces that are unique to the AEC, architects, engineers, and construction-related spaces. The introduction of these super powerful search and navigation features will add huge value to Matterport and help Matterport differentiate its platform from 200 other 3D/360 virtual tour platforms/software. I could imagine that Matterport is close to completing a machine learning training set that then will enable Cortex Matterport's AI, artificial intelligence, engine to locate pre-identified rooms or objects in spaces that users would likely want to identify quickly and walk to quickly. For example, imagine that a home buyer wants to immediately go to the largest bedroom in the house or show all the fireplaces. Matterport Genesis Generative AI is likely the result, in part, of the Matterport acquisition of Enview. Matterport announced on January 6, 2022 that it completed its acquisition of Enview, Incorporated. Enview, a pioneer in the scalable, artificial intelligence, AI, for 3D spatial data. According to the Matterport media release, Enview's 3D AI platform has been deployed at nation scale to solve mission-critical challenges ranging from critical infrastructure protection for Fortune 500 energy companies, automating property analytics for insurance and disaster recovery applications, and logistics and mobility applications for national security customers. The acquisition of the technology and team will enable Matterport to speed the development of its next-generation spatial data analytics platform that optimizes the operations and management of any physical space, while providing powerful insights and building intelligence. Matterport has written at length about Matterport Digital Twins meets property intelligence for insights at scale. When the history of generative AI is written 10 years from now, the Matterport announcement today of its Genesis Generative AI Magic will likely be one of the milestones to be celebrated for Matterport, driving the digital transformation of the built world. I can't wait for the future to arrive. What are your thoughts? How will Matterport Genesis Generative AI affect you and your company?